All right, so if you have a Blackstone grill and it has a removable like that moves around, flops around, has no lid, well, I'm going to show you this upgrade that you can get. This is actually a hinged lid that you can bolt straight onto your Blackstone, and it also has a thermometer and a stainless handle. We're going to install all that, and then once we get everything installed, I'm going to show you how it looks and how it works. All right, so to install it, you have these two screws on the side of your Blackstone. You're going to remove these two screws, and you will do both sides, of course. I'm just showing you one side. Then you'll take your bracket that comes with the kit and put your screws back in through the bracket. Just like so. And if yours has shelves on it like mine does, you can see that you still have slots in here so you can reinstall your shelves. And then you'll repeat this step on the other side. And now you can see I put my shelf back in place with the new bracket in, so it does not interfere at all. You can still use your original screws. Let's go ahead and do the other sside, and then I'll show you how to put the lid on. All right, with the brackets in, we're going to remove the old lid, and I'm going to get the new lid. I'm going to set it up here because we're going to put the handle on next. Screws are already in the handle. All right, now we're going to take our lid screws and we're going to screw them from the inside. Just like that on both sides. All right, with these two screws protruding out on both sides, now we're going to get our lid, go through the side holes right here. I'm going to kind of grab the little acorn nuts. They're going to go on the back side of the screws. So here's the screws that you just put in. They're like the hinge screws. You're going to take the little acorn nut and screw it on both sides and tighten that up. And that's going to act as your hinge. Now that the acorn nuts are on both sides, on the right side you have a little pull ring right here, and that's a lock. That locks when your lid is open. So you just pull this out to shut your lid, and you're fully done, 100%. And then when you lift this up, you can just pull that again and it will lock in and hold your lid up for you to keep it from blowing down on you, which is a really cool feature. So as you can see, now I have a fixed lid with my grill. I can pull this lever down. Now I can heat things up faster if I'm cooking burgers and such. I actually have a temp gauge in here so I can monitor my temperature while I'm cooking. It's got this nice big stainless handle with the knurled finish on it to help give you a little extra grip, and it really dresses up the old Blackstone. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.